Hello friends, I am Manju Gupta from India. I am a Hindi teacher for beginners. Welcome to Learn Hindi Daily. Every day we learn 5 new Hindi words that help you speak Hindi naturally. So today's words are easy, useful and perfect for beginners. So grab your notebooks, repeat the words with me and let's get started. Namaste and happy learning. Today day 5. We are starting day 5, daily 5 Hindi words with Manju Gupta. And this video is for beginners and fun and easy learning. So name of vegetables. Today we learn name of vegetables means सब्जियों के नाम. सब्जियों के नाम. First I will speak, then you will repeat. सब्जियों के नाम. Name of vegetables. सब्जियों के नाम. सब जी यो. सब जी यो. Repeat. सब जी यो के ना आम. नाम. सब जी यो के नाम. सब्जियों के नाम. Okay, are you ready? Oh, so many vegetables in front of you. Wow, great. Can you imagine? What? Tomato, carrot, corn, brinjal, broccoli. Wow, so many are there. Next will brinjal, eggplant. Wow, brinjal, eggplant. You know, eggplant, brinjal is bangan. Bangan. Repeat. Bangan. Bangan. Ta 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 ta. Bangan. 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 Brinjal is bangan. Next word will see. Oh. Can you imagine what is this? This is a potato. What is this? Potato is dancing now. Potato. Potato. Aloo. 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 Potato. Potato. Aloo. Aloo. Next word is carrot. She is happy. See, कितनी खुश है. How much she is happy. See, carrot. Carrot. गाजर. गा सिंगिंग होता है ना, सिंगिंग. गा सिंग गा गाजर. 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 Repeat. 2 times repeat. Gajar. Use all these words in your daily life. Then you will speak early. Next word is oh. See what is? What? What is? Huh? Lady finger. Right. Lady finger. What we call in Hindi? Bhindi. 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 Repeat after me. Bhindi. 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 See, next word is tomato. See how much big face? Tomato. Red color. Which color is this? Red. Red color. Tomato is red. I like tomato. You like? Tomater. Tomater. Repeat. Tomater. 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 Mittu is doing tar, tar, tar. Tomater. है ना? Tomater. Tomater. Next we'll go for recap. Today's words recap. Just see. Sabjiyan. How many words will speak today and learn today? Sabjiyan. Vegetables. Sabjiyan. Vegetables. Bangan. Bangan. Brinjal or eggplant. Gajar. Gajar. Carrot. Bhindi. Bhindi. Lady finger. Bhindi. Lady finger. Tomato. 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 So today we learn how many words? 5 or 6? I think 6 words we have learned, but I one word is missing in this slide. So what will we do? Is the question for you. Which vegetable I left in recap? Please find tomato, aloo, bhindi. Can you answer what we left? Please give answer in my chat box. Okay. Wow, it's a great job. Great job. Subscribe for day 6. Learn Hindi every day. Bye for the next day. Bye.